Good morning. Welcome to another live stream. My name is Franco. This is Trading Futures Live. I have Ale and James on the other side of the line. And we have a sell-off. Quite of a sell-off here. Pardon me. CPI came worse than expected. We were expecting 2.9. It came at 3.1. Even though it's not a bad number, 3.1, because we come from 3.4. 3.1 is not bad, but the market is selling off aggressively. So here's the overnight low. I have a couple of pre-market supplies. I would say like from 5,000 to 5,014, around that area is a good supply. And then I have this more aggressive supply, which is 42 to 89. Bro, advanced decline minus 2,000. Tick chart minus 1,500. Wow. Get ready. Get ready.
Good morning. I got 580 here on the NQ for an hourly support level. We get through that, probably looking at 550 for next. Jesus, man. This
Yeah.
if we get through both of those, oh baby.
This thing is bearish, bro. Damn.
I don't know though. It's footprint charts trying to turn around here. We got a lot of absorption down here, like the 600.
Yeah.
590, 600 area.
We will have short covering at the opening of the session, I guess, unless something overwhelms this to the downside. But probably some short covering is likely at the first few minutes.
Got a little trend line break right here through the 630. Might get a little run up out of that.
RTY is pushing. Nasdaq is
It's
flat.
holding. Well, Nasdaq
Is
is
the
holding.
RTY where my eyes should be right now? Because the NQ, I don't know.
Ese perro tuyo, weón.
No, that's James. That's James Poppy.
Yeah, I don't know. This is scary. Like we're barely even getting into the gap fill. Like very little.
Yo.
Yeah, you should have looked. Huh?
No, the gap on the ES is 60 points. not easy to fill. I don't think we're gonna fill it.
Nah, I
today.
don't think it's gonna fill. I'm just saying, like NQ can't even get into it. Like NQ can't even like 5 or 10 points can't even get into it.
The thing is that the long is not easy. I have my demand, but is a huge demand. Is like a high time frame demand. On the NQ is this. Like I'm gonna put the daily, but if you see my screen, I have this is a support at 617, but we dip down to 587, and then I have this demand at 580 to like 460 is humongous, right? It's like 100 points, but it's a daily demand. Then I have on RTY, we came very close as well from the daily demand. It was 1972. We came to 78. So we're close. We're getting, we're having some support here. We need to let the market play out and give us a direction for the day. Say I wanna risk here $85. I want to short. Say I wanna short this. $85 to $90. That's a lot. I think we will have our short. We need to be patient. I would like to see the tick chart not going above like minus 300. Because if we go above, we probably are gonna go back to zero. If it stays like minus 600, that'll be a very good short. Now we're having a massive divergence on the advanced line.
Where's your order?
No, I have a bracket for 49.85. But I don't like the tick chart too much. Look at how he's reacting to the upside. Recovering the momentum.
I got 655 as a resistance 1, 680 as resistance 2 to the upside on the NQ, 710. We get up there, we're starting to cook with something, but right now down here we're kind of still bearish consolidation down here. It
Bro,
is moving up.
The one thing is now we have trap sellers. People getting short and being trapped.
I just until we're over, let's call it the VWAP on the NQ. I can't call this anything other than a dead cat bounce though. We have to put in some type of market structure to make it
yeah, 100%.
uptrend.
100%. Yeah. Let's be patient and let's the market gives us the direction for the day if it's either long or short. All right, I have the calendar updated. I didn't do it yesterday. I did it today. All right, so I like the tick chart big time for short, honestly, and the advanced decline is pristine. Are you willing to play the continuation, Ale, or no? Right
I
there,
like 90. I like
75.
I like 90 for the short, but that was my only location I had for it. My real good location that I would have taken a no
Bro,
brainer.
again, trapped sellers are 73 3/4 now. Right here at the red line. Let's see if we test that. If we test that and we bounce, that means that a lot of sellers are being trapped in this rundown. Hmm. It's a moment of truth here. Yeah. Yeah, buyers are showing up here. Let's see if we can run them over. Yeah. There you go. Now they're underwater. There you go. So that's good. So I think the short is obviously the best choice right now. For now, either. We need to tick below 1,000, bro. If this thing is gonna continue.
What do you like?
That's the thing. I don't have any. I mean, I have 85. But if we go back to 85 with this tick, most likely we're gonna break the area. Because tick is not going below 800. Like every time it goes to minus 800, it bounces. So that tells me that the momentum to the downside is dying. But we have responsive buyers there. You see this? These are responsive buyers. Probably short covering. Ale, you have a question?
Let me see. Ale, you like the long night 49.62. 49.62. I see a zero. He is Pearson, right?
Mm-hmm.
He likes fading. I don't know if my location will be like 58 around that area, like 58.60
Yeah,
for the long.
I have 58 to 48 too.
But I do like that area, like.
This is actually starting to scare me. Like, this
In what
is
sense?
an extremely weak bounce. Like, this is not. I don't know. This is like Elsa status. If we don't get
Yeah,
a clean
turn.
move up to like 700, this thing's about to bust ass to the downside.
We take 75 again. This. Bro, Ale, I like tick chart is negative, but it has no momentum to the downside. We need to build up more momentum if we're gonna continue dropping, honestly. Now we can spend here like 2 hours just building up orders. Times decline is ready for the drop.
You like this short at what is that? 75?
I mean, I will consider it, honestly. I will consider it.
I mean, ticker is very weak, very very weak.
Yeah, right now it is like minus 850.
Advanced decline is super negative.
Yeah. All right, now that we have the tick below 800, it bounced to 76, 75. I'll probably take this. I think I don't know if we will get the bounce, honestly.
Like, volume's rising, ATR's rising. We're not moving up. I really think this is we're about to have a nice little swift move to the downside.
Yeah.
I think so as well.
Mm-hmm. Let's hope for the overnight to give us a bounce. That overnight, that's 68, 67. See if we can get a bounce from there and short this thing around like 75, 74. Yeah, it's very hard for it to bounce. 15 minutes is young. Yeah, I think there's more downside here. Yeah, we have what we wanted, Ale. Now we need to look for an area where to short. 73. Huh? Too risky?
Things where you put your stop?
78. Something like this. 3. And I'll do this. Can get a 3-1 at 60. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, the 15-minute looks great. Hopefully this overnight low can give me a bounce for me to short this 73.
Got my eyes on 630 here.
I
See if
think I want to
we
follow Pearson.
get down below that.
Extremely weak, bro. We have sustained momentum to the downside. This thing is not gonna bounce, so we need to jump in. We need to jump in the short if we want to trade.
Potential double bottom off 630.
Oh, it's almost 10. I mean, I think that my entry is not bad. Obviously, there's no location, but we have momentum to the downside.
Order filled.
I'm in it.
ATR continues to rise.
That's good.
I got lucky because I got filled. I don't know how I got filled there. Honestly.
I mean, yeah, you had a really good entry.
Now is the question is this overnight is gonna double bottom or it's gonna continue down? I mean the tick is good. We have a divergence on the advanced decline. If we bounce from here, it's just who knows what's gonna happen. No one knows. So now tick chart is bouncing. I need to see this going down to minus 800 again. If not, I'm gonna move my stop to break even.
But there was a lot of selling in the candle at 956. A lot of selling.
Yeah, but not follow through on the following candles. That's not good. Yeah, and the thing is the tick chart. The thing is tick chart. Other than that, I'm not worried. Tick chart is not showing the drop that I need for this thing to dip, you know? Yeah, I'm moving my stop break even. It is what it is. I might get a break even here. Tick chart is not following through to the downside. Yeah, still we're dropping and tick chart is minus 700. We need this minus 1,000 or something below that.
If we break this 64, 65, then it's
Yeah, it's gonna roll over. It's gonna roll over if we break 66. But the thing is thick. There we go. Minus 700 still it has no momentum. Momentum for the short is minus 900, minus 1,000. Yeah. New 30 minutes as well. So that could bring a bounce and then a further drop probably. I mean, if I get a break even here, I have to be fine with it. because the location is horrible. There's no location. So a break even is not something that I would complain about, right? Because it is what it is. We're trading close to the overnight low, so it is what it is. You know what, Ale? We might have a dip, but not deep enough for me to get 3-1. That is a reality. Because look at the tick chart. Now it's going back up.
Yeah, but it's not. This thing is not going. Thing is not moving up.
Yeah, but
No, we can get a
eventually
little bounce right here and then push it. Like you said, like we can get a dip.
we can get like a dip around like 62 and then bounce.
Are you all in or all out on this trade?
Yeah, but I could scale out like probably 63 I can scale out. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna scale out at 63.
Order submitted.
If we get a drop there. Which is not unrealistic, honestly.
I don't see why we shouldn't get a little dip to that area at least.
Yeah, a little deep and then probably my runner is gonna be a break even, most likely. But either way, 63 is 2-1 for
That was
me.
to secure you 2-1, right?
What?
That was to secure you 2-1 if you get that 63.
Yeah, 63 is 2-1.
Okay, that's good.
But here's the thing, like when tick chart is not very negative, bro, this market attracts buyers. That's my experience. Especially we still have a longer time frame uptrend, right? So buyers are gonna show up regardless.
Yeah, but this thing looks very weak. Like I think we could get, like you said, a little dip to 63. You can keep your running or this thing. Yeah, I think you should let her play out.
Yeah, that's nothing I can do. I'm gonna let it play out.
Doesn't look bad.
NQ's finally starting to let go here.
Look, we're dipping and the tick chart is making a higher low. Ah, shit. That is no bueno. That is absolutely no bueno. We need the momentum, bro, to the downside. It's not like to the upside. To the upside is different. Mm. Come on. Come on.
gonna be difficult for us to get through the 650 on the NQ. Like we have extreme volume from a few weeks ago. Plenty of orders here.
Bro, I'm gonna see where my actual 2-to-1 is because I want to scale out. Oh yeah, 2-to-1 is right here, 64. We didn't get there, but now we're bouncing, and we have sellers trapped there. We have a lot of sellers trapped right there. I'm gonna scale out here at 64.
It doesn't look bad.
Yeah, but it's dropping and this shit is not, so that's not bueno. I mean, it is what it is. If I get break even, bro, it's what else can I do? I mean, I'm trading on the fucking overnight low. Like its location is, but if you don't jump in, you cannot trade this thing unless it goes back up to like where we wanted to show, right? Like 78, 79, like. Yeah, tick looks good now. Tick looks good. At least from my scale out, I think yeah, right now where the tick is, yeah, minus 850. Yeah, I think we have sustained momentum now. Let's see if we can get my.
There's no reason why you shouldn't get your TP.
I mean,
What more do you want from the tick?
I at least my scale out. At least my scale out. At least my scale out. I
Yeah,
don't want.
TP1. T1. Sorry.
Yeah, T1. I mean, it doesn't look like it's gonna hold this 64. Like.
Bro, I haven't seen anything on the footprint that will show signs of a reversal or signs of a push to the upside.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of selling happening there. 65.
The only one that worries me is the one at 10:05. It came with a decent amount of volume,
Which
but
one?
10:05. But it should be good right now with your scale out. You got it right.
No, not yet. One more. Hmm. 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 I didn't get it, bro. One tick.
But let me see. MES. Did the MES not happen?
Bro, no, it's reversing. I was one tick from my scale out. And right now it's reversing. But tick chart is not going up, so that's something that it is what it is. I probably shouldn't be watching this, honestly.
Oh.
This is the last 5 minutes on the 15.
Throw some Tabasco sauce on that avocado, cause the NQ looks like some shit.
Think so?
Flat City, bro. Flat City. I mean,
It's really flat. The NQ is really flat.
it's flat, bro. Like it's
You haven't taken
moving.
any
Don't get me
trade?
wrong, but it's that volatile chop shit, bro.
Oh my god, yeah.
Like it has to be bear flagging. Like I can't. I don't know. I don't know. It's this thing.
Bro, I'm not gonna get it, Ale. I'm not gonna get it. It's look at the tick chart, bro. It bounced at minus 950. What the fuck? Yeah. Fuck me, bro. This what the fuck with this 64?
You didn't get filled?
No.
It,
No, it's my
God.
T. Yeah, my T1 is 63, 74, 75. It got to 64.
Oh, okay.
And right now is fucking reversing, bro. A lot of trap sellers there. A lot of sellers being trapped. Yeah. Yes, sir. I think the best way to trade this is just not watching it. Just stay away from it.
Got a trend line down at 645. Want to see if we get a close through that for some
Last minute on the
downside.
15. Last minute on the 15. Hopefully I have the push for my scale out. And then the next one, if it bounces, it'll be my runner only.
And we bounce 650. We don't even make it to 645. Is that what it's gonna do? Come on.
The Russell looks good though. Russell keeps going down. NQ might follow on this one.
I don't know.
There
You're gonna get
we
your scale
go.
out. Come on. Nice.
There we go.
Nice.
Finally
That's your
got my
scale out.
Yeah. Motherfuckers.
That's your scale out right there.
Motherfuckers. Yeah. Bro, patience is a bitch, bro. It's so hard. I'm not gonna say it's so hard. It's like we make it hard. Like if I would have been in my balcony watching the lake, I wouldn't be so.
What was that? 2-1?
I mean, I am going for a total of like 2.8.
Nice.
Yeah, that was 2.1 to 1. I think I wanted to cover commissions.
Yeah, you had a really good entry. I mean,
I
for the
did.
location that you had an amazing entry.
I mean, yeah, but I understood the location was not optimal.
Yeah. 100%.
And if we bounce from here, I'll still will get like 2 to 1. I'm fine.
Yeah, it's important.
And we need to be careful with this 57 because that's the extension, the range extension. It's gonna be like around 55.
Does Pearson still have his order at 62?
I don't know. Do you have an order at 62, Pearson?
If we lose 620 here on the Nasdaq, we should get some acceleration to the downside.
Yeah, we could have some liquidation type of day. We're already having it. And the thing is that buyers are trying to step in, bro. Buyers are there, are tough. They're roaches, like you say. Yeah, this thing is not going smoothly to the downside. It's bouncing all like it's not easy to.
But I feel like if it's gonna bounce, then it should have like a more aggressive, like move to the downside, then it drives it up. Like
Yeah,
I
like
don't.
some sort of exhaustion.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
not
like,
showing that.
yeah. I mean, if I'm fine, if I get a break even here, it's gonna be just a runner. 2/3 the positions is out already.
I don't see why we should bounce from here. Like I don't have anything previously from here.
Yeah, that's 62. That's 62 of Pearson is holding.
No, but like you said, I think like a 57 could be the one that
Even
like
54. Yeah, like
58,
around there. I'm gonna review the I am going to review the what is it? The range extension. I don't have it in my charts. So 91 is the maximum. 91, and we have right now 91. And we have 72. So we still have some room. We still have some room.
Looks like we're getting a reversal to the upside. 630 held again on the NQ.
Yeah, tick chart first time at 0. We are above the overnight low again. Yeah, I'm gonna get a break even on my runner. Yeah, this is classic reversal. Like we chopped, we dipped, and we reverse. That's what we do every day. Hmm?
Yeah.
Let's see how this one goes. Tick chart is back at minus 600. This is purely short covering, bro. This is purely short covering. Advanced decline is not going up.
NQ is working on the 700 level. I'll be looking for us to get through like 715, 720. Pull back into like that 715 area for a long.
Stop fail.
I'm out of it. That's fine.
Yeah, you still secure 0-1.
Yeah.
Damn, Pearson 62 work to the tick.
Yeah.
Good trade nonetheless, though. Good stuff, Franco.
Thanks, buddy.
Yes, sir.
I still feel like 78, 82, 85 is a good area to short. Now, the NQ has a very good pattern to the upside. Look at this. Bro, look at the RTH view up. Does it look normal? Look at the RTH view up. It's fucking pristine to the upside. Hmm? Yeah, and we're dipping into this demand here. We came so close from my demand of 582. The market gets oversold real quick.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Not the ES. The ES hasn't been bought up too much. We're basically like 13 points off of the low. Is not too much. Like like if you see the NQ, bro, is like 60, 65. Oh, RTY reached my demand here. 72 to 65. Look at that. It's bouncing now. Yeah. We need to clear up demands, bro. Buyers are there showing up. I want to get now we need to have an exhaustion to the upside if we want to short this.
NQ can clear like 735 here. There's potential for us to get right back up to 800.
And one thing that is very important, dollar is starting to go down now. If we start breaking structure on the dollar here at probably 104.69, 60, 68.50, probably we could have a good recovery in the markets.
There goes 35. Ooh.
Mm. Nice run on the tick chart. Nice
Well,
run on the tick chart.
yeah. Although I don't dislike like
85.
80, like 86, 86 around there. I want to include 90, 91. That's why I need to include 91.
Let's see how we react to this 81.
Bro, if not, 5,000 is going to be for sure a trade that I will take. Automatic fade.
A lot of selling. You saw a candle on the footprint? Look at the footprint, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my
shit.
god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Buyers are exhausted.
Whoa.
Hmm?
I don't think buyers are exhausted. I think just a lot of selling a lot of sell
Yeah.
orders are coming in and
Yeah.
look, there's
You
a
for the
lot of selling.
fire.
A lot
Yeah.
of selling.
Fuck me, bro. Bro. What a candle. Long time don't see those candles. Look at that shit. I wouldn't be surprised if we reverse the entire 15 minutes.
Gonna be long here off 35.
Mm.
It might be.
Honestly, I don't like the long. We have a massive divergence on the advanced decline, and the tick chart is negative. For the most part, it's been negative. Coming back in 2 seconds, okay?
Kind of starting to bear flag here. What's going on? Can we get up? Get on up. Up to the highs. Up to the highs. Yes, sir. Give me that shit. Pew. Struggling on 750 here. Footprint Starting to get a little flat. Got some absorption up here on the 750. Not sure if we're gonna get through that. Still trying to hold through it. Currently T1 break even though, so not sure. She's trying though. Stretch your legs, baby. Hit this bull flag. Squeeze. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Squeeze. Yeah. Durr. What's the ES doing, Ale?
Squeezing. I mean, not obviously like the Nasdaq. Nasdaq looks insane, but still squeezing nevertheless. Nice little squeeze. Ugh. pasó, weón? ¿Qué pasó, weón?
¿Qué pasó?
¿Te cagado o qué?
Marico, are you gonna... ¿Cómo vas a decir eso, marico?
¿Qué?
Vale, estamos
¿Qué?
live, marico. ¿Qué es eso? Vale.
Imagine this thing fills a full 300-point gap by the end of the day.
That'd
No,
be insane.
I don't think so, honestly.
Like, just imagine that.
That would be
Yeah.
insane.
No. The ES has a lot of resistance at 5,000, bro. It's hard for it to just blow 5,000.
Dude, NQ is squeezing. Like, golly.
Yeah.
Yeah, the squeeze in the NQ is insane.
100.
Insane.
Wow.
A lot of selling again.
Like, even if it just came back up and filled the CPI gap, like, that would be, I don't know. This shit's wild. Like, that's like 200 of the 300 points right there. It's just wild.
That would literally be insane, bro. If it feels if it bro.
All right, I do have hourly resistance up here at 95. That's also the 50% retracement on the overnight. Fib
95.
Yeah, 795.
Bro, I
Between
do have
790
this.
and 795.
Look
And
at this 82. Fuck me, 82 is good. Just broke the intraday high and we're falling. By the way, I need to leave at 11 to drive to Fort Lauderdale today.
¿Tienes hilo?
Yeah. I mean, you guys can stay if you want to stay. I'll just close the YouTube online. if you guys would like to stay here, I will just leave the live on, but I won't be here.
I'm gonna roll out and grab some lunch around 11 since
Yeah, I'm gonna have breakfast at 11.
the ATR is already like 160% of average day, so I'm not really gonna push my luck with anything. Like this,
You took the longs, right? Before on the NQ?
yeah,
You took it at
35.
35, I think, right? Yeah, 35.
Yeah.
That was a nice trade.
Thank you, sir.
How many points did you get? Like 20, 30?
I got 22.
That's good. You literally got the little pop 2000 and then that shit kept driving up.
Yeah, that's what we talked, right? Like the little dip, and then boom. That's what happens every day. Like this consolidation, little dip, and boom. And let's not forget that we are in a bullish environment. Yes, today we're dropping, but for my understanding, today we're dropping so much that it gets exhausted real quick. Like it gets oversold.
I haven't had a chance to look at the 4-hour yet, but everything under the 4-hour, we opened bearish. Like the only thing that wasn't bearish was the daily, and like I said, the 4-hour might not have been, but the 1-hour, the 30, the 15, 5, all that was we opened
I
under
mean,
structure.
bro, not really. Look at I have a look at the 30-minute that I have here. This is the RTH 30-minute. Does it look very bearish to you?
Did you say the 3-minute?
30, but this is the RTH. It doesn't include the overnight. Yeah, you have this huge gap, which is not something that you can depreciate, but look where it came to. We haven't broken any like real RTH structure. You see that? Boom.
That looks. Yeah, no, we did. Don't you see that like to the left right there? Like, where
You
that
see this one? You
like,
say
right? Like we opened below that. If you look at an hourly chart, that's technically looks like a Head and Shoulders that we
yeah, but for
started.
instance,
We didn't finish it, but we started it.
I know,
Now
but
that
for
we're
instance,
like
okay, but look at this, like 22nd of January. We were going up, right, like really steadily, and then we dipped, but we dipped to this consolidation here, and then we continue now because it broke this first structure. I don't think everything is gonna fall apart. Like here, same here. See that? It's going up. It came to this level. And then this level here will be, if you will, ideal for a continuation to the upside, right? But look at what happened then. It came to another area and continued. So because it broke this, doesn't mean that everything is gonna fall apart. Yes, intraday is bearish, that, and I took a short, but at the end of the day, look, still fucking bullish. And until we start breaking for me to the downside, like something like this, and then a retest and then continue like this, then I would say, oh shit, we're changing definitely. That's what I think. That's my personal opinion.
yeah, but you're looking at the ES though. That has nothing to do with what I'm looking at on the NQ. Like the ES could, like I'm not referring to that. I'm referring to the NQ. The
Let me see.
NQ is like way below hourly structure. So like what was it? Friday, like Wednesday, let's see here, Friday. Where's Friday? So Friday's close was like what, 1850?
Yeah, no, I'm not
So
discussing today we're bearish, bro. I took a short, but I do think we're very bearish today. Um, and we broke this on the NQ. Let me put the 30-minute. Bro, it's the same thing. It's the same thing on the ES. Look, I think as the numbers are different, but look, I had this demand here. I don't know. I don't honestly, based on what's going on, I don't think everything is gonna fall apart. Yes, we did have a very sort of like a bad news, and intraday and lower time frame is obviously bearish today because we're fucking dropping 1%. But it's yet to see if this market is actually retracing big time. I mean, and I think we're due for it. Like since October, we've been up 20%. I mean, that's insane, honestly. But the beauty of the RTY, look where he came, bro. He came to the freaking demand. So good. I'm thinking about the RTY. I'm having, wet dreams with the RTY, honestly.
RTY's been having some nice moves lately.
Yep.
RTY is an inverted head and shoulders like to the T. Like actually to the T. That's
On what
crazy.
time? What time frame?
1 minute.
Oh yeah.
It's probably gonna squeeze to 1995.
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
In the course of the last 2 years is that Russia's industrial capacity is a lot more profound than we thought it was. Putin wants to get out of this war. One of the things we've learned in the course of the last 2 years is that Russia's industrial capacity
Like if you look at the NQ on the hourly, we lost Thursday's low, we lost Friday's low, and of course we're way below this week's Monday low. We're way below all of that. So unless we can close at a minimum above 800, that's now going to be resistance, and that's going to be the beginning of the downtrend on the hourly. Like I said, on the daily, we need to get down below like 550 for it to be a full-on bear trend. But as for now, like everything from the hour and lower, we're like we broke that structure. That's gone. So now we're head back up into resistance to try and hold on to the daily and the 4 hour.
That's it for me, guys. That's easy. You go to your this thing. One sec. Sure. You come here. Options, and you go here on this where it says skin. Options, general skin. You can do light mode, dark mode. Pretty easy. All right, that's it for me, guys. James, Saleh, I need to take off. See you guys
All right,
Bye,
tomorrow.
bro. Take care.
Bye.
Good trades, everybody. Catch
Yeah.
y'all tomorrow.
Trade safe. Bye bye.